Did you know that some people suffer from a distinct fear of pimples? That's right, acnephobia is a real thing. Stick around because we're going to look at a lot of amazing pimple pops while we discuss the pop-tastic fear known as acnephobia. I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and I forgot to say good medical morning. While I show you some pops, let's hear a message from Seth, who suffers from acnephobia. He says, "I'm terrified of getting acne. I'm not sure why, I've never had it. I used to get pimples, sure, but nothing severe. I say used to because my skin is currently clear. This is why I'm terrified of acne. Even a small pimple consumes me and makes me anxious and depressed. So the idea of anything severe terrifies me." In Seth's case, he became obsessed with the foods he consumed. He was convinced that a proper skincare routine and diet would eliminate pimples. He says he is currently living in France and he cannot enjoy the French food without fear of acne. Seth says that he hasn't even told this to his family, and he wants your input. Is anyone else experiencing something similar? Are there any trypophobic viewers who can relate to this fear? Would you consider this an eating disorder? Please leave your sensitive and thoughtful comments below. Do you think food should be his #1 concern? There may be a piece of this that is hormone related, and other aspects that are completely out of his control. Thanks again for your comments and opinions. Make sure to click like and subscribe for new videos. Clicking the notification bell will ensure you see all of our updates, including the more graphic popping videos. It's good to know. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out RESTMORE. RESTMORE is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 RESTMORE and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy.
Anything I've tried before that was all natural, it was all a joke. RESTMORE, it really worked. I sleep 8 hours now. I wake up every morning. I'm refreshed. I'm ready to go. I have great days. Like, RESTMORE is the greatest thing in the world.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
What's better, RESTMORE is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.